Hi there, my name is Peter Vox and I am the director and principal teacher at Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section below and I'll get back to as many of them as I possibly can. Most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We do private in-studio singing lessons, online singing lessons all around the world. We also have the ultimate online singing course as well too. Let's get stuck into the next question. When is a good time or age to start the ultimate online singing course? Right now. There is no good or bad time to start singing lessons. If you can speak, you can take singing lessons. So really, you can sing all the way up through until your late 90s, as long as you're keeping your voice and your body in good shape. Really though, if you are very young and you can't control technology or devices, you're going to have to get an adult to help you out to do the ultimate online singing course. But there really is no good or bad time to take online singing lessons or to start singing lessons in general. Please remember that with the peak of your powers, as in feeling physically the best, you're going to be feeling physically the best vocally and your body's at its strongest peak from your late teens to your 30s. That's when your body is at its absolute peak and it's best to perform at its peak. And that's why you see athletes are generally at their peak during that time. I'm nearly 50 years old, so I know this. But though you can take singing lessons all the way through until your deep 90s. I've got a student that's well into his late 80s that's actually performing as well too. So there is no good or bad time. The youngest that you can start is as soon as you start speaking and able to sing and speak and piece words together and sing songs all the way through until your late 90s. Hope that answers your question. If we could again be of any assistance with someone that you know or yourself with your singing, please check out the links below in the description. We'd really be honored to help you or someone that you know with their singing. But most importantly, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and out.